Hello people, Mike with B&D Innovative Tools. Got a new flat bar here. I actually have a set of 3 flat bars. This is the first one. It's a 24-inch flat bar. Comes with a 1032 tip. This allows you to slide it down the window with interchangeable tips. Does come with 3 different tips. Comes with a pointy tip. I know you can't see that, but we'll give you some pictures later. Comes with a more of a crayon type of tip, and it also comes with a ball tip. These tips do thread on and allow you to access down the window like this. And now you have interchangeable tips for down the door. Like I said, this does come in 3 sizes. Comes in the 24, the 30-inch, and the 36-inch. It will come with these male adapters. That will allow you to also use a tactical grip on here. So now you can put the grip on it, put it any direction you feel, if you feel like you need a grip to help you give you better leverage, more stability, or whatever reasons you might want to grip and not have to grip the bar itself. The grip also works, obviously this is a tactical pistol handle grip. It's going to work with the tactical T-grip as well, which I would prefer other than that. It also works with our grips, the B&D grips that are interchangeable. This is our T-grip. We also have a pistol grip. So it goes on like that. Obviously you thread it on. Ours is a push button style where you can turn it into any position that might be comfortable for you while working. If you decide you don't want to use the tip or the handles, excuse me, and you want to remove this, that one's on tight. Let me get one that's not tightened. Or actually I have one that doesn't have a tip on it, or doesn't have the male adapter on it. 5/16/18 threaded ball. I believe this is an ultra ball tip. Now you have the capabilities of going up through the fender and working it into this area in the fender and wherever else you might find that you can use this tool. Typically it's a fender area or down in a door. So this is a bendable rod. It's tempered from here down. From here across, there's no temper in it, so it will be bendable. It's not going to be super easy to bend it. You will have to use some might to get this bent. It is 17.4 in the annealed state, which is not very easy to bend just because of the thickness of it, but it is bendable. You can find these tools at custompdrtools.com. Once again, that's custompdrtools.com. We'll go ahead and display something below here so you can see where that website is. Thank you for watching and have a great day.